Hello and welcome back to New York Outcast. I appreciate the returning viewers and the new ones. I'm here today to take a look at a Grip6 belt. Grip6 is an American company. This belt was actually purchased for me as a gift from a YouTuber, Squibload. I recommend everybody checks out his channel, especially if you're interested in Grip6. Squibload actually got a factory tour of their facility. Was able to spend some time with the employees one-on-one and the owner, and did actually make a video of that, so I'll try to put a link for that out in the description area. Now, to be honest, I was a little shocked when I received it. No big deal, but the guy sent me the wrong one. Marines, you know? Uh, just a small joke. But technically, yeah, I asked for the men's titanium Hex Prism insert belt, and Squib sent me the Hex Prism belt. So, not a big deal. The belt itself was the Raven that I asked for, so that turned out right. And he also included a hanger, so I'm not complaining by any means. This belt itself is a little flashier than I'd normally go for, but honestly, after wearing it, I kind of like it. Alright, so when I got the belt, I did the typical guy thing, and I was like, yeah, I can put this on. Well, there is a way to put the belt on. I kind of stumbled through that the first time, was like, this is kind of stupid, I don't like it, blah, blah, blah. And then I got the bright idea to watch the video Grip6 offers, so keep that in mind, guys. The video makes it pretty simple, and now that I've figured out the proper way to put it on, the belt works, and it isn't a big deal. So after wearing the belt, I decided to throw on a few different outfits, try to throw on a few different holsters, see how the belt felt, whether it binded up when I bent over, if it loosened up on me, anything like that. Um, and through everything I tried, the belt worked fine. Honestly, I'm actually liking it more and more. This buckle makes the belt a little pricey, and reality is probably more than I would typically spend. Now they do offer a lot of different buckles, and some of them are definitely within the range I would spend. So keep that in mind. There's a variety through the company, depending on prices, with all different actual belt choices as well. They also do more than belts. They do a lot of other accessories as well. So that pretty much concludes my initial impressions, first few days review of owning this thing. At this point, I like it. Like it a lot, would definitely recommend the company. Something I didn't mention before is their products are warranted. So with all that being said, thanks for joining me and have a great day.